Wakanaka, Mwari wakarurama, makanga muripo nguva isati yavapo, makasika nguva kuti ivepo. Tinokutendai Baba, tinokutendai. Taungana Mwari wamasimba ose. Tiri mukati meimba ino pasi peutungamiri hwenyika ino. Hwamakapa simba rakabva kwamuri kuti nyika ino irarame, vana venyika ino mavarangarira. Tinonamata Baba, taungana kupiwa mazano, kurayirwa Mwari wamasimba ose nokuziviswa. Tatenda Mwari wamasimba ose, mutungamiriri wenyika yedu uyu Mwari. Tinokuongai nenguva yose iyi, tinokuongai noupenyu, tinokumbira hwakawanda Mwari wekudenga, nokuti tine kwatiri kuenda, asi hatigoni kuenda tiri toga. VaIsraeri Mozisi paakabva, makavapa mumwe mutungamiriri. Ndivava vatungamiriri vedu, ndiyeyu mutungamiriri vedu vaMnangagwa. Toda kukupai mbiri nokutenda kuti munovapa makore akawanda. Tatenda Baba, mazvita mutipe njere patiri mumusangano uno Mwari wekudenga. Tatenda Baba, mazvita muzita raJesu. Amen.
Amen. Thank you. My apologies to name Comrade Joram Gumbo, to now Comrade J. Mdenda, Comrade J.D. Ungwe, Comrade Sekramai, Comrade S.K. Moyo. Do I my apologies? Kunamwe. Yes, Comrade. Oh, Comrade S.P. Moyo. Okay. I will give my opening remarks. My opening remarks to the ordinary session of the Politburo, the 16th September 2020. Comrades, I welcome you to this month's ordinary session of the Politburo. We are convening at the backdrop of an honor given to us by the African Union to coordinate, support, publish, and subsequently launch the African Fact Book. As we take pride in such a pan-African product, let us forge ahead in promoting, preserving, and safeguarding the enduring and unshakable revolutionary ideals of our founding fathers, which are embodied in our party. I applaud all the organs of the party for their resolve to galvanize grassroots structures through a raft of mobilization activities being carried out. These activities will ensure that our party is constantly connected to the people and the people to their party. Our party constitution, rules and regulations, values and traditions must always be our overarching political compass. Furthermore, The electoral victory of our party and the mandate given to us to govern our great country at the July 28 harmonized elections should equally inspire us to work wholeheartedly, diligently, and consistently to improve the quality of the life of our people in line with Vision 2030. The targets set and the promises made in the 2018 Party Manifesto must continue to inform all activities throughout the various structures of the party. In this regard, the party membership must remain active participants in the implementation of projects and programs being implemented at government level, for these are indeed derived from us, the party. Let us be part of the development we desire to see. As we propel the development agenda, there cannot be a them and us mentality. Government is a product of the party. Vision 2030 will only be realized through working together in peace, harmony, and unity. To date, the milestones and targets set out in our manifesto are beginning to show throughout the length and the breadth of our country. I commend various sectors of economy, such as agriculture, mining, energy and power development, manufacturing and infrastructure development, for delivering tangible results thus far. The preparations for the 2020-2021 agriculture season are gathering momentum. There has been overwhelming response and implementation of the presidential climate-proofed Fumvudza program. I challenge the leadership of the party from the Politburo and Central Committee right down to the cell and village levels to be exemplary producers and also lead in promoting and driving the culture of productivity across all sectors. Through the direct intervention by my government, the macroeconomic environment continues to stabilize, resulting in reduced volatility in our foreign exchange rate and the price of goods and services in the market. As a result of the strides we are making, we envision the gradual increase in the number of jobs created. So far, some sectors of the economy are already reporting positive developments with regards to employment levels and opportunities created. NASA has to date reported over 214,000 jobs created in spite of the prevailing environment characterized by illegal sanctions, persistent droughts, and the COVID-19 pandemic. The development projects financed through the devolution program are now visible in the wards, thereby promoting broad-based and equal development in the provinces. I challenge the party to take charge and control the narratives with regards to communicating these developments and successes of our Second Republic. Our people must be updated and made aware that my development projects hanzi kumera sehoa bodo. Tisu rezan PF tirikuti zita kumatunu ose omunyika medu. Meanwhile, the party must deploy its organs and cadres to exploit opportunities in the arts and the culture industry by packaging and popularizing our nation building and development agenda. The trend whereby our detractors use popular culture and arts to attack and undermine our nation, our unity, our peace and value systems cannot be allowed to continue. Patriotic artists from across the country must be nurtured and appropriately empowered to facilitate the preservation of our national heritage, our identity, and our pride as a people. Comrades, while the 2023 election is in sight and our resounding and landslide victory imminent, let us remain unwavering in our revolutionary course by consistently strengthening and increasing our party's membership base. The reintroduction of district coordinating committees, the DCCs, must serve as a mechanism to further consolidate our party's mobilization strategy at the grassroots level. I therefore exhort the leadership and the structures of the party to consolidate our internal democratic processes and culture. Undemocratic behavior, such as the imposition of candidates, vote buying, and other electoral malpractices, divide the party. It must not be tolerated at whatever level. Those who contest in elections must be prepared to accept the election outcome. That is the democratic way the party knows. To be a good leader, one must be prepared to be a good follower. These DCC elections and upcoming national by-elections must therefore consolidate our party's indisputable dominance and a peaceful democratic culture in the country. In all these party and national activities, we should constantly reflect on our freedom and independence as a gift bequeathed to our nation by the departed heroes and heroines of our country. We thus honor them. The heroes and heroines like Buyaneanda, General Mutsane Kumalo, Sekuruka Gubi, Chaminuka, King Mzilikazi, among others. We honor them with pride. Equally, government will be moving with speed to operationalize the Veterans of the Liberation Struggle Act, Chapter 17.12, following its recent enactment. As you are aware, the party received a delegation from our sister party, the ANC. We continue as former liberation movements to share experiences and strategies in view of the ongoing onslaught by our detractors and the neo-colonialists. Such solidarity and exchanges must be strengthened across all the leagues of our parties. As I explained before, the truth must be told that presidential envoys remain presidential envoys from one president to another. Party envoys remain party envoys from one party to another. Those who dream otherwise are allowed in democracy to dream. This morning, I was pleased to receive a delegation of the Zimbabwe heads of Christian denominations, which comprised the leadership of the Evangelical Fellowship of Zimbabwe. I received the Catholic Bishops' Conference bishops, Zimbabwe Council of Churches, and the indigenous churches. Dialogue must be encouraged throughout all sections of our society in a spirit of constructive engagement among our people. This is the culture of the Second Republic, of nation building, of peace, harmony, unity, and love as we develop the Zimbabwe we all want. Lastly, comrades, let us continue to nurture the principles of our party towards sustaining peace, unity, and development. Currently, with regard to the pandemic, we are attending to some measures which we have relaxed, hoping that since March to today, we have done our best to inform the entire nation about the pandemic and the measures which individually, collectively, as communities ought to observe to reduce the impact of COVID-19 among ourselves. Hence, we feel confident that the relaxation of these measures will not result in the spiking of COVID-19 infections.